Hello YouTube. I am gonna do an unboxing video of my new wheels that I just received from Woody's Wheelworks in the United States. I ordered these for my BMW R1200 GS, year model 2004. I ordered superlite hubs, stainless steel spokes and nipples, and the brake rotor adapters for the front wheel. So let's get into the box. Wow, this looks really good. So as you starting to see here, I have ordered silver rims and a silver hub. Let's see here. It's the complimentary t-shirt that they sent to me. Thank you, Woody's. So, well, really nicely wrapped in plastic. And these rims look amazing. This is the rear wheel. And let's get into the wheel. It's the XL Takasago rim. You see the superlite hub. Nicely machined. Wow. Let's see what this wheel weighs. So I see a weight of 4.1 kilograms, and that is basically 9 pounds. Okay, let's get to the front wheel. I can tell you that it took exactly 1 week from the packages to get from Woody's to me. So I'm really pleased with the UPS delivery. And for your information, they were delivered from the United States to Sweden. Here's a calendar. That's nice. Some stickers. Perfect. Here we have the magnificent front wheel. Yeah, here you can see the rotor adapters, brake rotor adapters, and the superlite hubs and the beautiful rim. Wow. Beautiful. Let's see what this one weighs. I have to zero the scale here. And I see a weight of 4.8 kilograms. And that is 10.6 pounds. Okay. That was all, YouTube. Thank you for watching the unboxing video. If you have any questions on anything regarding the wheels, please comment. I will post, of course, videos of these wheels on the bike itself. It's gonna be amazing. Thank you. Bye.